Hey Tubes, how are you guys? We got another toy out here to play with. Got Eric here tonight.
Hi Tubes.
Yep. What we got here, I'll turn some lights on in a second. But what we have here is a 1943 Minneapolis Moline World War II anti-aircraft generator, which is pretty sweet. Let's see if it'll focus here in the dark. Bought this off of Small Engine Mechanic Mike at Jacktown. Absolutely love this thing. Anyway, we can't really do a walk around yet because we need to start it to get some light. So let's fire it up real quick. All right, let's fire it up here. Gas is already on. Turn the ignition on. That should be it. And close this up real quick. It's a 11 horsepower, 4-cylinder flathead Hercules motor. Alright, so here goes nothing. Hit the starter. Like so. Alright, let's do a walk around. Got your oil pressure, we got 20 pounds of oil pressure. Your starter, on-off ignition switch. Right now I have it bypassed because the switch is busted. Your choke, your battery charging amps. We're charging our battery at like 6 amps. Our voltage, the generator's not on right now, so we have no voltage. Our voltage selector, this is how you variable voltage. Your load amps, load current, and your cycles per second. Generator on, off, and your fuses. All right, let's turn the generator on. Adjust your voltage. 120 volts. Got about 8 amps of load. Running, not the right side. We're running 59 cycles. That's all right. It's the one that's bouncing up and down there on the right. But we have those lights hooked up. Have a drop light. So she's working now. Let's go ahead and open up the sides. Bear with me. It's hard to open this door with one hand. It's an O'Keefe and Merritt Company generator. You can change the cycles per second by flipping these bars over. If it's in like Europe or something. Got your governor right here with your linkage. Here's your carburetor. Here's the head of the motor. It really is a very quiet generator. I don't know how it sounds on the camera, but it really is quiet. Receptacles. There's a little look-see at the panel. There's the radiator fan. There's your coil. There's your oil filter housing. your battery generator with the regulator, and a very, very short V-belt, and your distributor with your condenser there, your water pump with a grease cup. It's a very, very, very smooth running motor. It really is. Shut it down again, but this time we're going to crank start it. The crank from my Farmall A actually fits this, which is funny. So we're going to go ahead and crank start it. Should start right up. Like so. Alright, well, that's that. To say thank you to my buddy 805 Road King for putting up the video about the Model T, taking Small Engine Mechanic and 805 Road King for a spin.
It definitely meant a lot to us. I didn't mean it.
No, that's fine. Yeah, that meant a lot. I mean, it sure gave our channel a boost. Thank you. I'd like to thank all the subscribers that we're getting so far. Pretty exciting. Thank the viewers, and thank you for commenting. And all the wonderful comments you guys are giving, I love them. Keep hitting that thumbs up button. Keep sending awesome comments. I'll try to write back, but I'm not a computer type person. Yeah, you know, keep subscribing, comment, rate, all that good stuff.
Yeah, we appreciate it a lot.
Yes.
You know, it really does a lot for us. You know, it helps us really
grow.
Keep growing, and you know, make more and more excellent videos for you guys, and you know, it makes us feel better at heart.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Yeah, I'll try to get back to you guys in comments, and I'll watch your guys' videos when I get the chance, and we'll make videos of tractors and hit and misses, and I'm not going to give anything away, but we'll make some more videos. About one a week. We'll start. We're doing one a week, one video a week. I think we're going to keep that pace for a while until we get comfortable and all that good stuff, but
yeah, so we can grow a backlog of things, and you know, so we can figure out more and more things to do for you guys, because we have quite a lot here, but you know, we just got to make it right, you know.
Yeah, this will be something fun for us to do and fun for you guys to watch, and we'll grow a nice family, and
yeah, community's big for us.
Yeah,
we definitely want to grow a community.
Yeah, we're nice guys. We don't do anything stupid.
Yeah, safety's #1, to be fair.
Yes, safety second. No.
That's why I'm here. Yeah,
always,
he keeps it second, I keep it
safety first. Always wear a baseball cap, you know.
Yeah, there you go. Wear glasses.
Yeah. All right, well, thank you very much, guys. Like I said, love your comments. I love you guys, and thanks for the support. I really appreciate it. Keep on doing what you're doing. Stay tuned for more Hit and Misfits.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thank you.